I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, we're looking to complete the linking phrase which connects the previous sentence with the sentence that follows. In fact, the sentence that follows emphasizes, or rather focuses on, the reasons why people are successful, or why people have success. The expression that we need here is more often than not. So the missing word that we're looking for is more. For question number 2, what we've got here in this sentence is a comparative form. And when you've got quite, chances are the comparative form that you're going to need somewhere in the sentence is like. And that's exactly what we need here. There is often nothing quite like failure to make people strive harder for success. For question 3, the context of the sentence is telling us that about the worrying trends in schools is that there cannot be winners or losers. But what's not communicated in the sentence is the negative form to communicate that idea. So that's what we have to introduce here. We need the correct negative form. So the answer that we need in this case is no. For question number 4, after apply, you have the preposition to. And that's exactly what we need here. This applies to ... Question number 5, once again another preposition. After you prepare somebody for something. And that's what we need here, for. For question number 6, we need a subject. It says, in school, let someone reward those high achievers. So we need a subject. We need a word to act as a subject. What could this subject be? Well, if we use the personal pronoun us, suddenly we have our subject and it fits perfectly given the context with which we're presented. Question number 7, easy peasy lemon squeezy. All this is a perfect form that doesn't have the form of the verb have. So we have to choose the correct form that agrees with the subject, which in this case is those. So encourage those that have failed to do better. Question number 8, something that we very often see with these open-close part 2 questions, cleft sentences or emphatic forms. If you don't know what they are, go on to Google, check a good grammar book, find out what they are because they come up a lot. And to be honest, these are great emphatic forms which you could be using in your writing and your speaking to get those all-important extra points. What we need here is the word what. What we mustn't forget. In other words, the thing that we mustn't forget is. What we mustn't forget is that the keen sting of failure can spur on greatness. And if you include that sentence in your writing somewhere, wow, you're going to get plenty of marks in your exam.